Good morning, this is meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. It is, Wednesday, I think, December 23rd, 2020. We'll call this one, continuing our theme, Storms for Christmas. Who you are, where you are, depends on what storm you get. So, let's take a look. Here's our list of advisories for today. We got flood watches here. We've actually had a lot of winter storm warnings in this area. Wind advisories along the coast. And a blizzard warning up in the Dakotas and Minnesota. And actually it branches out into 5 different states. So a lot happening. Our big day is heavy rain and strong winds on Christmas morning. It will not be a white Christmas. And I think any back-end precipitation won't have enough precip available when it does get cold enough. So we'll have to cross this year off. Here's a better look at the NAMS precipitation radar. It's simulated, but you can see this is, Christmas morning, 3 or 4 in the morning, and just a strong line of real heavy rain pushing through. A lot of areas here could see up to 3 inches of rain. Coupled with the amount of snow on the ground, this could lead to a lot of flooding, and that's why you saw some of those. Old image, Christmas morning flurries, possibly for places like northern Georgia and the Carolinas. I just don't think, again, like I said, there'll be enough precip available once that cold air rushes behind. It's possible south and east of the Smokies, nothing likely to stick, but it could be fun for Christmas morning. One of the big things we shared yesterday, let me just move this over a little bit. I apologize, that's not the right size. Still have the potential for storms with this front, and this is updated to come up a little further north and east than it did yesterday. Probably not looking for too much, but I think rumbles of thunder definitely can be associated with this system. And the last thing I wanted to talk about today, the polar vortex, our old friend, may be making a return to the headlines in a couple of weeks. There are strong heat fluxes driven in part by the last couple of storms that we've had that will attempt to disrupt that vortex. And through that process, if you disrupt the polar vortex, you kind of create these little holes or these pathways which could send more cold air south. Particularly here, we're looking at January, which would give us more opportunities for storms. So lots of things available for us, that's for sure. So we'll have to just keep our fingers crossed. I'm meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. We'll be back tomorrow.